Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Farjana. Welcome to my another complete tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can make a complete e-commerce website using WordPress and Elementor. This will be a complete and step-by-step tutorial. So I will show you how you can make your e-commerce website from very basic to advanced level in step-by-step. So if you don't have any previous experience, even don't know how to make a website, following my step-by-step process, you can also make your amazing website. Before moving forward, let me introduce myself. I am Farjana Rashid, professional web designer and developer, and I am working in this area for last 8 years. So you are learning from a real web developer. Now let's have a look which we are going to make in today's video. This is the website which we are going to make in today's tutorial. For this website, I am going to use the most popular WordPress theme builder Elementor and also another popular and advanced plugin Crocoblock. In this website, I will show you how you can create a custom header area, how to create this kind of advanced mega menu very easily, and how you can create the top banner section like this. Then here we can create some custom column or custom section for our product categories, and then here we can show some featured product list, and also here we can filter our products. And also in the bottom area we can create a product feature section and how to create a custom footer area. Then for the shop page, I will show you how you can create custom designed shop page. And in the left side, we can see here is a advanced product filter options. So we can filter our product by search box, by product categories, by product length, size, color and pricing, and also by brand images, ratings, and also we can create any kind of custom filter option, and this custom filter will work in the same page instantly. Like here, if I select the categories bags, we can see only the products under these categories, and this filter is working instantly. I will show you how you can create this kind of advanced custom filter and how you can use this kind of filter inside our shop page, category page, even to our home page. I will show you how you can create different kind of single product page. Like here, we can see our product item is showing in a grid view, and also we can create different kind of product layout. Here is another one. This is vertical slider mode. And finally, here we can see this is a different kind of layout. I will show you how you can upload different kind of products like simple products, variable products, virtual or downloadable products, how to upload grouped products, and finally how to create any external or affiliate products. I will show you how you can create different kind of custom structure or custom layout for our product category page or product tags page. And here I will show you how you can customize any pages for WooCommerce shop. Like here, I will show you how you can customize our cart page, checkout page, my account page, thank you page, and any kind of WooCommerce page. In this website, I will show you how you can create any extra blog page. Here, I will create some blog post and I will display all these blog posts in this page. By creating this blog post, we can get more traffic for our website. And finally, we'll show you how you can create any contact page like this. Finally, I will show you how you can complete any order, including how you can create different kind of payment method and how you can manage our orders. Alright, so far you see, if you think this tutorial adds some value to you, please give this video a big thumbs up. Otherwise, you may not find this kind of valuable tutorial next time. And if you are new here, like to see my more upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And you will find a timestamp in my description so you can jump any specific part you need. Alright, I have divided this tutorial into 5 simple steps. I will show you how you can get your own domain and hosting, and here I will show you how you can get your domain completely free for the first year, and also how to get 60% discount through my link. Then I will show you how to install WordPress. Then I will install Elementor and Crocoblock, and after installing all necessary plugins, I will import all dummy templates with dummy content, and finally I will show you how you can customize our website with our own content. Alright, now going for the first step, getting our domain and hosting. If you already have your own domain and hosting, you can skip this part, or if you don't have, then follow along. To get domain and hosting, first go to farjanarashid.com and then going to Tools, and from here click on the Bluehost. I will also leave this link in my description so you can check it from there.
So why Bluehost? In my opinion, Bluehost is the best web hosting provider. I am a web developer. I tried so many web hosting companies. I don't want to mention their name, but I personally ended up using Bluehost. Hundreds of my clients using Bluehost and they never complain about using it. If you see my Bluehost account, I have hosted here tons of websites and I never get a downtime. Their customer support is really amazing in case if you need any help. And that's why I always recommend Bluehost, and their price is really affordable for everyone. Now click on Get Started. You can see their pricing, so you have different options based on what you need. If it's your first website and you only want to host one website, then you can take their basic plan. And if you have multiple websites, more than one, you can pick their Plus or Choice Plus options. Though both options are almost same, Choice Plus options have domain privacy plus protection and site backup options. But we don't necessarily need that. And you can take their Pro plans if you are planning to host a big e-commerce website and if you have millions of visitors already. As a beginner, let's start with the basic plan. It will cost only $3.95 per month and you will get one website, 50 GB SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, free SSL certificate, standard performance, one included domain, 5 perked domains, and 25 subdomains. And in this price, it's awesome. But in future, if you have multiple websites, you can upgrade it to their Plus plan. So basically, we can upgrade or downgrade our plan anytime. Now let's click on Select. Now, if you have domain name already, you can type your domain name here and configure it. I'm assuming you don't have a domain name already, so let's select a domain name from here. On the right side, you see there are several options: .com, .online, .site, .website, and so many options. But I always suggest to take .com website because it's good for search engine optimization, and also .com website looks more professional and legit. So here I am selecting a domain name for this tutorial purpose. So I'm typing here Farjana WP. So my domain name will be farjanawp.com and I'm clicking to next. So here is showing the domain name farjanawp.com is available. Awesome. Now I need to put my account information here. So here I am typing my first name, last name, my business name, and selecting my country, and here is my state address, city, postal code, and typing my phone number and email address, and here the email address is really important, so make sure you are putting your best email address
because after completing purchase, a receipt will send to that email address. Now here is the package information. By default, it's selected for 33 months. That means for 3 years. And if you now see, the price is showing $3.95 per month. But we can reduce this price. Here we only take the necessary things. For starting, we can take it for 1 year. That means for 12 months. And it will cost $5.95 per month. It's still pretty cheap. So now we can see the total price $71.40 for a whole year. That's awesome. And here I will show you a secret tip how you can reduce this price more. So now I'm going to hover outside of this page. So when I'm going to hover on back button or outside of this page, here we will see a pop-up window which will offering you last price $2.65 per month. Now click on claim savings, and now you can see the price $2.65 per month when 3 years selected. So now I'm going to select 12 months price again, and here you can see the total price now showing $59.40 for a whole year. It's amazing. Now I'm going to package extras, and here you can see domain privacy plus protection, which is adding more prices here. So you can select or deselect domain privacy. Having domain privacy is good. No one can get to know who is the owner of the website, but I'm deselecting it because I want to be transparent and it's not that important to me at this moment. I'm also turning off site-load security and CodeGuard Basic. I don't need site-load security and CodeGuard Basic either, so I'm deselecting those as well. So now you can see the total price is now $59.40 for a whole year. Now here I'm putting my payment information. So here I'm typing my credit card number, and here I'm putting my CVV code and expiration date. And now also select this check icon. So you are agreed with their terms and policy. And when you complete purchasing through my link, you see you are getting a huge discount. And I will also get a commission. So nothing extra, that's a win-win situation. Thank you for that because it supports this channel and help me to make more valuable videos like this for you. So now click on submit. Okay, so now you can see your purchase was a success. We sent a confirmation email to devihealth@gmail.com. Now I'm going to check my email. So here I got an email here. So here is the verification email for my purchase. I'm going to check it and verify my email. So now my email is verified successfully. And next I will get another email. Here is my payment confirmation, and here Bluehost sent me an invoice for my purchase. Now from here we have to create an account. Here is my domain name, and here I have to type a password. I'm typing my password and retype it, checking on their privacy policy and create account. Okay, now save it. So your account is ready to go. You can log in. So now I'm going to log in. Here I need to type my password, which I already created now, and log in. I'm saving it. For now I'm skip it because I will do it later with you in step by step. I'm clicking on get started. Turning off domain privacy and protection and confirm it.
So we have successfully completed purchasing our domain and hosting.
So we have purchased our domain and hosting. Now going to install WordPress.
To install WordPress, go to My Sites, and from here we are going to create site.
Now from here I'm selecting install WordPress, getting started, and site name I'm typing WordPress website, and site title WordPress website by Farjana, and here in advanced option we can set the email address, username and password manually, or if we leave it, it will create by default. For now I'm filling the information. Alright, and now going to next, and here I'm going to install the WordPress in the root directory. So from here it's selected the domain name and I'm leaving empty the directory, and from here we can leave these plugins. We don't need all this plugin installation. And now going to next. Alright, congratulations, our WordPress installed successfully. So here is our WordPress username, password and the login URL. Now I'm going to log in our dashboard. So this is our WordPress dashboard, and here when I install the WordPress from Bluehost, if I go to the plugins, we will find some plugins here already installed and activated. So I'm going to remove all these plugins. For now I'm going to start from the blank, so I'm selecting all these and first making to deactivate all, and again going to select and delete, apply. Alright, we are ready to go. And here is one more thing from the settings. If I go to the permalink, and here we have to set the permalink settings from the post name. So this will be the main URL and slash the post name or the page name. So we can set the permalink from here and save changes. And also if I go to the general tab again, or go to the reading, and here we can enable the discourage search engine from indexing this site. So our site will not be indexed on Google before we complete our website. And now save changes. We have to make it off when we are ready and website is ready to go. Now for this website, again I'm going to plugins, and first I'm going to install the Elementor. Going to add new, and here I'm searching for Elementor and going to install this one, activate. And next I'm going to install another plugin, which is the Crocoblock. So this is the Crocoblock website. I'll leave this plugin link in my description so you can check it from there. So now let's see what's the Crocoblock. Crocoblock is an advanced set of Jet plugins which will work for Elementors and Gutenberg. If I see their product list, here we'll find sets of plugins. So they divided their large plugin into some smaller plugins, so your site will not be overloaded. For example, if you need a booking website, that case you can install the Jet bookings, and for designing purpose you can install some more plugins from here. But you need not to install all these plugins that case, and your site will not be overloaded. And from here, if I check their pricing, they have 4 type of pricing list. One is for free, and you will get some feature for free, and for all this advanced widget, here is 3 packages. You can select any one. If you have one website, then you can purchase their all-inclusive plan. So this will be $130 per year, and if you have unlimited website, then you can purchase the another one. And also they have their lifetime package. So if you work for many clients and if you work for different kind of website, that case the lifetime packages will be a great investment for you. For example, if you work for at least 10 clients in your lifetime, so that case you will invest less than $100 per website. But of course, if you are a developer, you will not work only for 10 clients or 10 websites. You will work 100 plus website, 1000 plus website, and you will charge several thousand for this website. And using this plugin with Elementor, we can create any kind of advanced website. For that, you can easily charge $1,000. And finally, if you think you still need not all these widgets or all these plugin, you only need to install one plugin or several plugin. That case, you can purchase as a single item. For example, if I go to the Jet Engines, you can purchase the Jet Engine plugin only for $26. That's cool. Alright, now for this website, I'm going to use their all-inclusive package. I have already purchased the first one, and now if I go to my account, going to login, and from here we can see all the plugin as listed. So from here, first I need to install the Crocoblock widget. I'm going to download, and now going to install this plugin. Going to add new, upload plugin, and from downloads, Crocoblock widgets, going to install and going to activate. So if we install this Crocoblock widgets plugin, we need not to install all these plugin one by one. We can install any plugin inside from here. So now let's go ahead, let's go, and here we need to add our license key. So going to our account, and from here purchase details, we will find the license key from here. I'm going to copy and paste it here. Get started. Here we will find two options. We can install Jet plugins one by one, or we can install a full website. I'm going to full Crocoblock installation, going to install, and from here we can select any specific theme, or we can leave as default. For now I'm selecting the hello theme, use child theme, and continue. And now from here we will find some pre-made layout. So this will work as dynamic templates, and also here we will find more pre-made layout. This is basically the complete website, including all the inner pages, header, footer, and all sections. For this website, I'm going to dynamic templates, and here we are going to install the e-commerce website. So from here, you can see here is a template for WooCommerce. If I see, this is the demo website. We're going to import this one. So going our website, and from here going to start installation. We need to select all this plugin, going to continue, and here we can set the append demo content to my existing website or replace existing with demo content. We can select the second one, going to continue, and here we need to retype our website password. Alright, so this is done, and going to continue to the next. It's regenerating all thumbnails, and this will take some moments also. Alright, we are all set, and now if I go to visit website, from here we can see our site is ready with all this demo content. Now I'm going to customize this site with my own content. First of all, I'm going to upload some product for this section and for shop page. So for that, going to dashboard again, and now going to products, and here we can see all these dummy product. So now if we want to add your own product, you can delete all these dummy. So for that, I'm going to select all, and from here going to move to trash, apply, then one more time, move to trash, apply, and one more time. Now I'm going to add my new product, going to add new, and from here first the product name. For example, I'm typing or going to upload a simple product, so here I am typing simple product, and then here will be product details, the product description. I'm going to leave some website and going to copy some dummy text. And then here is reviews option. From here we can add some dummy reviews with our product. For now I'm leaving it. And then here is the product information. So we can create several kind of product, like here is the simple product, group product, external or affiliate product, variable product. And also from here we can create the downloadable or virtual product. First I'm going to create the simple one, and here we can set the price. Here is the regular price. For example, I'm typing 120 as regular price, and sale price. This price can be a discounted price. It can be for lifetime, or you can set a specific timeline for this price. For now I'm setting the sale price to 100. Then here is inventory. We can set the SKU number for this product. This can be a product ID number. For example, I'm typing 001. Then manage stock. You can enable stock for this product. For now I'm leaving it in stock. And sold individually, so you can sell your product individually or not. For example, people can purchase only one item in a single order, or they have to purchase multiple items. For now I'm leaving all this. Then going to shipping. I will explain this part in later. For now I'm leaving it. Then going to linked product or going to attribute. So from here we can set some attribute for our product. For the dummy item, here is already created some attribute. For example, here is the color, feature, image, length, size and type. So we can select any one from here, or we can create a new one from here. For example, if I select the color and add, and here we can select the color. Here is already created some options for color. For example, if I select the black color and blue, so our product will be in two type color, in black and blue, and visible on the product page. Yes, I am making it on, and save attribute. In the similar way, we can add some more attribute for this product. These attributes will work as product custom information or custom category. Here we can set filter for our shop page or product page by using this attribute. I will explain this later. For now I'm leaving it. And then product short description. So here I'm going to add some small description about our product. For example, here I'm typing only one line, and then from the right side here will be product category. Here is some dummy category, or we can create a new one. For example, we can type winter collection and add new category. And also from here you can select another one, women's collection. And then here is product tags. We can add any specific tags with our product. This tags will work for SEO. For now I'm typing women's. Or here is suggesting some existing tags. We can select anyone from here. And then here is the product image. From here I'm going to upload the image for our product. Going to library, we can select anyone from our library, or we can upload new one from here. For now going to library. For example, I'm selecting this one, and if I scroll down, here is another options, product gallery. So we can set some more images for this product. Going to product gallery and going to add some more. Pressing by control, I'm selecting these three and going to add to gallery. And also here we can upload any video related to our product. From here this can be YouTube video, Vimeo video or self-hosted. And for page design, here is already created some layout for product page. We can select anyone from here. For now I'm just going with the default one, going to publish. And now if I go to the view product, so here is our product details. So here is the product name, here is the price, here is the short description and add to cart button. Then here is the long description. We need to add some reviews, so it will display here. And also here is the main image, and here is the gallery images. We can add some more information so it will look more professional. So now I'm going to add some more information. First, going to change the short description, going to our page, and from here short description, I'm changing this into some normal small text. I'm making it to paragraph, and going to update. And now if I refresh, so our short description is showing here, and then here is the long description. Instead of this normal text, we can add any structural text using the Elementor builder. For that, again going here, and instead of this normal text, I'm going to edit with Elementor. Now from here, instead of this plain text, we can add any structure or any layout for this details description. For example, I'm going to remove this one, and instead of creating from scratch, I'm going to template, going to my template. I have already created a layout for product details. I'm going to insert the product info details, and now if I save it, now when I refresh, alright, so now our product information is showing in a nice way. And from here we can add some product reviews. So we can set any reviews as an admin, or when any customer purchase our product, they can leave any reviews. For now, I'm leaving some reviews. And here rating options, I'm leaving the rating 5, title of reviews. Alright, then going to submit. And our reviews is now pending for approval. We need to approve it from dashboard. So going to dashboard. From here, if I scroll down, here is a options, Jet reviews, and going to all reviews. And from here we can see the last reviews. This is pending and we need to approve it. And now if I refresh our product page, we can see our reviews is showing here. And also the star rating is showing under the product. And here we can add some related or similar product with this product, or here we can add some specific linked product with this one. For that, again going to edit product and crossing the builder, and if I scroll down, here is the linked product, and here is two options, upsell and cross sell. So if I set some product on upsell, I'm going here and typing some others product name. We need to upload also some more product. For now we have only one item. Alright, before that I'm going to create some more item from dashboard, going to all product, and now we can create some more item. We can duplicate the existing one and add new information, or we can create from add new. Alright, I have added some more product in the same way, and now going to our simple product, going to edit and scroll down, going to linked product, and from upsell I'm typing, and here is showing the product list. I'm selecting this one and also two more item. Alright, I have added some product on the upsells, and now if I save it and going to refresh our product page, you can see here is showing the upsell product. And now I'm going to add some product to our cross sell, so it will show to our cart page. For example, when I go to add cart and going to view cart, sorry, it's redirecting to the home page. We need to fix it. So I'm going to the WooCommerce and going to settings, going to advanced, and from here we have to set all these pages. Going to cart, and for checkout I'm typing checkout, and my account page, and terms and condition. I'm selecting this one, refund and returns policy, or we can select any specific terms and condition page. I'm going to save changes. And now again going back, going to view cart, and now you can see it's going to the cart page. Now if we add some product to our cross-sell, we can also see that product to our cart page below this. So going to edit product, and if I scroll down, going to link product and going to add some item on cross-sell. I'm selecting this one, and now if I save this and when I refresh our cart page, we can see this item is showing to our cart page. Alright, now I'm again going back to our product page. You can also check our cart from the top area. I'm removing this one from cart and going to refresh, and here we can also customize the single product page design. For that, from the edit product page on the right side, if I scroll down, here is some pre-made layout for single product. Custom template, if I see, here is some pre-made layout. We can find 4 and 5 type layout. If I select the version 2 and then save it, and now if I refresh, we can see our product item is showing in a different way. That's cool. And also here is more options like version 3, and saving it and refresh. Here is another one, vertical slider, and then version 4 and refresh. This is another one, it's a different structure, and finally version 5. Going to refresh and it's showing like this. Alright, and finally if you want to change the whole structure and want to create a new layout for your product page, for that we can also do that. If I go to the Crocoblocks options, and here we will find a new options, page builder. I'm going there, and here we will find the single product page layout. Here is single product version 5. We can also customize the existing layout. We can see the single product page version 5, and also we will find another one like version 2, 3, 4. So we can customize our existing layout, or here we can create a new one from add new template. This template type single, and template name custom products, and from here we can select any one. For example, I'm selecting this one, then going to create template. So by default it's showing like this. We need to customize it, and we can remove all this and then start from scratch. For example, if I save this one for now, and now if I go to our edit product, scroll down, now from single template we will find this new layout, custom product, and if I select and save it, and now if I see the product page, we can see the new layout is showing. So following the same process, we can add our new custom structure for product page or any other WooCommerce page. For now I'm going back, and here going back to the version 5 and save it. Alright, our single product is done, and also here is some more options like categories, tags and attribute. If I go to the categories, so here is showing all the existing categories which we created. So we can edit or customize the category from here, or we can create a new category from here. Then here is the tags. We will see all existing tags here, so we can edit or create a new one from here. Then attributes, we can see here is all attribute, and also here is the terms for all this attribute. For example, if I go to the color terms And from here, if we want to remove any color, we can delete from here, or if we want to edit or want to add a new terms for this color, we can also do that. Alright, now again I'm going to our product list, and now in the similar way I'm going to create some more products in different types. For example, next I'm going to create a variable product. First I'm going to duplicate the single simple product. Now changing the title to variable product, and also the permalink, we can edit this one. Going to copy and edit, click on the OK button, and now in the similar way we can change the content area, category, tags, images, and also the short description, and the main changes will happen in this area. So the product data, I'm changing the type to variable product. And now inventory, we have to change the inventory number. For example, here I'm typing 002, and all others is almost same, only changing will be on the attribute. And here the color, let's already take black and blue, and here we have to select the used for variation, so we can use this color option to create variation. For now I'm saving it, and here I'm selecting another one, the size, going to add, and here I'm selecting several sizes and going to save attribute, and also saving it for variation. Now if I go to the variations options, and from here we can create a custom variation for a specific color and a specific size, or we can create all possible variations as per our input. So I'm going to create variations for all attribute, and going to, are you sure you want to link all variation? So it will create maximum 50 variation per click, so I'm going to OK, and here 8 variations added. Alright, so here is our color. We have set black color, blue color, and we have added 4 size, so the black color and the 4 size with that, and blue color and 4 size with that. For example, if I go for the first one, this will be the black and the size is small, so we can set a specific price for this combination. So the regular price, we can set this price to 100, and we can add a specific image for this variation. So I'm going to open, and for example I'm taking this black t-shirt, and also in the similar way for the second one I'm adding the same black t-shirt image and setting a different pricing, for example 110, and also similarly for 2 others. And here is for blue color and small, I'm selecting another one which will be blue color. Here we don't have the blue color t-shirt. For now I'm just saving the white instead of blue and adding a price, for example 90, and in the similar way going to add the same image and some different pricing. And finally save changes, and also here I'm going to add some image for thumbnail or product image. So going to remove this one and set product image. I'm selecting this black one, and also for gallery going to add 2 image. We have already added the black, so on gallery we can only add the white one. And from here we can select any combination or variation as default. For example, I'm selecting the black and large size as default, and finally going to publish. Now if I go to the view product, and from here we can see the default color is black and size is L, and the pricing by default the color for this combination. And now if I change the color to blue, you can see the image is changing and also the prices is changed. And when I change also the size, the price is changing also. Alright, this is all about the variable product. And here in the variable product, if I go to the attribute, we can add some more attributes for variable product or for any of the product. For example, I'm going to add the feature and going to add, and I'm selecting bestseller and final stock sale, and also going to add length and types, and finally the image. This is basically the brand image, so I'm selecting some brand name, and finally save attribute. And here for the others attribute, we did not select the used for variation, so this will only work as custom attribute, and we will use these attributes to create our custom filter, and we can add the same attribute for any kind of product. For now I am saving it, and now in the similar way I'm just showing you how we can create others type of product, like here is grouped product, external or affiliate product, and also how you can create the virtual or downloadable product. For example, in the similar way I'm going to duplicate this one, and here I'm typing grouped, changing the permalink also, and now if I scroll down and changing the product data to grouped product, and also changing the SKU number to 003, and now when I go to the linked product, we can set some product as grouped. So from here I'm selecting some product. So for grouped product we have to set some simple product from here, and all others will be same. And now when I go to the save or publish and going to view product, and here we can see here is the product list for this grouped product. Here I have added one simple and two variable product, and here is showing the variation which is list price. For the case of grouped product, we need to select the simple product so it will be easy to manage, and from here we have to select the product item number, and then when I click on the add to cart and going to view cart, you can see only the simple product is added to our cart, because here we have only one product as simple and two others was variable product. So for the grouped product we need to select all simple product, so that will work perfectly. And now I'm going back and going to create another kind of product. So for that again going to copy, and now going to create affiliate product, changing the permalink. And now if I scroll down and product data, changing it to external or affiliate, and here we have to set the product URL. For example, I'm selecting the URL from Bluehost, and now setting the product URL as Bluehost URL, and button text by product, or we can type anything, and we can set the price for it. For example, I'm typing 100, and all others will be same in this case. And here we can change the image. For example, I'm going to upload a dummy image, and now going to publish. And now if I go to the view product, we can see here is the button for buy product, and when I click on this button we are redirecting to the Bluehost website, and also here is showing the price, and all others information is showing in the same way. Alright, now going back and finally going to create another type product, the virtual or downloadable product. Now I'm going to copy to new draft, and here I'm typing downloadable product and changing the permalink. And now if I scroll down, for downloadable product we have to select the product type to simple, and here we will find the options. This will be virtual or downloadable. If you sell any product like any online course or anything, that will be virtual. That case you can select the virtual, and all others will be same, and we can set the price for it. And in the similar way, when we select the downloadable option, for example, when we are going to sell any digital product like PDF or any books which is downloadable, that case we can select the downloadable options, and here we can select the price, then downloadable file, we can select or upload the file or ebook. For example, I'm going to upload a file, and here we can type an external URL or we can upload our product. For example, I'm just adding this image. Instead of image, we can add any PDF or anything. And download limit, after purchasing we can type any limitation like 3 times or 5 times, or we can leave it blank so it will be unlimited. And download expiry, we can set any specific days, like after purchasing we can download in 3 days, or if we leave it, it will be for unlimited days. All others is same. And now I'm going to publish. And now if I go to the view product, and here when we click on the add to cart, and we'll go for the next step and complete our purchase, we can download our product. Alright, and here if I scroll down, you can see here is some design issue, so we can solve all this issue from our Elementor builder. For now, if I check from the product details options, and when I scroll down, we can see our design is coming from single product version 5, so we can customize it from our template. Going to Crocoblocks and page builder, and here is the single product v5. I'm going to edit with Elementor, and now we can customize this structure. So the first two, compare button and the wish list button, if I go to the advanced and if I scroll down and positioning, here you can see these 2 items set as with inline auto, so it's overlapping with the next item. So now we can take another item after this one, so going to add new, and here for example if we are take the spacer after this compare, and now if I save it, and now if I refresh, alright, so now it's working fine. And we can add some extra space top of the product information. So going to the product information, and from advanced margin, this is also the minus margin, we can make it to 30. And now if I save it and now refresh, alright, so our space is adding. We can also make it smaller, or from spacer if I go here and we can decrease the spacing. By default this is 50, we can make it to 20, and now save it and refresh. Alright, looks perfect. So in the similar way we can customize any section as we want. All is good. And now for the product page, in the top area here you can see here is a permalink for the specific product, and it's moving outside of our structure. So now let's go to fix this one. So this time we can hide this one. Going to inspect and going to WooCommerce breadcrumb, so we can go to add new rule, and here going to add display none, and now going to copy rule, going to customize, and from here going to additional CSS, going to close it and paste our CSS. Now going to publish, and now going to refresh our product page. Alright, so the extra permalink is removed and we are done with our product pages. Now I'm going to our home page, and next I'm going to start customizing our header area, footer area and the home page. For that, first I'm going to edit with Elementor. Now for the header area, if I hover over on it, we can see it's coming from a different template. And also if I scroll down the footer area, it's also coming from our footer template, and we can edit the home page from here. So first I'm going with the home page design, so we can easily change our images and text, button, all this content. For example, for the top area I want to change the background image, so for that going to edit column. It's coming from the background image of this column, so going to style tab And for this image, I'm going to upload another image. Going to upload files, and I'm going to upload several images. Now going to add this one, and here we can move our text to the left side. For that, click on the text, going to settings, and from here alignment, I'm making it to start. And in the similar way for the first one, making the alignment to left, and also for the button, making it to the left align. And now we can remove the background, or we can make it transparent. So I'm going to edit inner section, going to style tab, or I think this is coming from the column, so going to edit column and going to style. Now here is the background color, I'm making it to transparent. And now I want to move the whole column to the very left. So here it's 3 column structure. We can delete the left one, right click and delete. Alright, looks good. And here I'm going to change all this text. For the first one, here I'm typing sale up to 50% off, and here I'm changing the text color and the font size. So going to style tab and changing this color to black color, and from the typography I'm changing the font size. I'm making it to 22 or 24, and text transform making it to uppercase, and adding some letter spacing 1 pixel, and font weight we can make it to 500. Alright, and now for the next one, going to style tab, going to the first part, we can change the text color to more dark, and here we can also change this text. So going to content, and here I'm changing it to something like S by S 2022 collection, and here we can change the font style. Going to style tab again, and going for the first one, I'm changing the typography, making it to uppercase, and font family we can make it to anything. Like here I'm selecting the Helvetica, and font size I'm making it to 70 or 75, and I'm making the same style. Or you can do one thing, I'm going to the content and just copy the text or cross it, then paste it on the first part. And we need to add some line height, so going to style tab and the first part. Now going for the typography and line height, going to EM and making it to 1. Alright, looks good. And here I need to add some spacing in top, so for that going to advanced and margin top, I'm adding 10 pixel or 20. 10 pixel looks good. And in the similar way for the button, I'm going here, I'm just changing the button color to more black, so going to style tab and changing this color to more dark, and on hover now it's showing the light blue. We can change this color on hover state. These are very basic changes. If you know about the Elementor builder and basic styling, you can do that as you want. And here is much more flexibility, so you can style or design your pages as you want to do. And now if I check the preview, I'm hiding the panel, so now it's looking like this. And here we can make the banner area to full width, so I think this will look also good. I'm going back, and here I'm going to edit section. Sorry, sometimes it's difficult to select any section, so that case I'm going to right click and going to navigate and going to the section 1, and now from here content width I'm making it to the full width. Alright, now it's looking like this. And here still we can see here is some spacing in left and right, so if we want to also remove that spacing, for that going to advanced, and here is some padding in left and right. I'm making it to 0 and crossing the navigator. And now if I hide the panel, you can see it's looking like this. And also in the similar way we can customize the below sections. For now I'm keeping all this text only going to change the images. So going here, and for the first one, if I go to the edit column, it's also the column background. So going to style tab, and now going to upload another one for accessories. So I'm selecting another image, and also for this one, going to edit column, going to style tab and changing the image. And also for the third one, I'm also using some dummy images, so you can use your own image, or also I will leave all this image download link in my description, so you can get it from there. And then go for the next area. So these are coming from our product list. I'm coming here after a few moments. I'm going down, and also for this section I'm changing this image, going to style tab, changing this one, and here the image position I'm making it to top and center, and here we can change this text. In the similar way, for the top area I'm removing this, and here I'm typing most stylish collection, and here for the font style, going to style tab and first part. And now from typography we can increase the font size, making the font weight to bold. Alright, we can keep it like this. And also here is the shop now button. So here we can add any page link or specific category link here. For now I'm saving this page. And now for the product area, so this is another widgets for product displaying, and this is another one for product filter. So now if I go here, this is products grid widgets. By default here is showing all product. If I scroll down, we can customize the product structure. This is the grid layout, and the column number is 4. We can change it to 3 or anything. Now I'm going back, and also here is some more settings. We can check all one by one, and the product number here is showing the product number is 12. For now I have less than 12 product, so we can set it to 8. And from here we can set a specific query by tags or category or any other terms. For now I'm keeping it blank, and order by I'm making it to descending. So now the latest item will show in fast. And also here is some options like show product title. We can make it on or off. Add link to the title. This is on. Add link to the thumbnail. Enable thumbnail effect. So here we will find more customization options. You can check one by one, and you can enable any one as you want. And also here is the show compare button. We can see here is showing the compare button. You can make it on or off, and also show wish list button. And also here is carousel option. So instead of the grid view, we can enable the carousel button. So now all products will show as carousel, and we can enable the navigation. So now we can see the arrow with this carousel. This is now very small. We can change the arrow size from style tab. For now I'm making it off. I'm just leaving as grid view. And also here we will find some more options, like here with these two buttons we can enable the quick view button. So if I make it on, so now you can see here is a button for quick view, and we can also customize it from here. We can change this icon, and we can change this text. And also for more customization we can do it from style tab. For now I'm leaving it as it is. And now in the top here is the product filter option, and this product filter is coming from the Jet Smart Filter plugin. I will explain this filter after a few moments. For now I'm just going ahead. I'm saving this page, and now I'm going for the header area. So going to edit header. It's redirecting and opening in a new tab, and also it's going to our theme builder options. So from here we can customize our header area. This is normal section and some basic widgets. Here is some normal text. We can easily customize all this text, and if you want to change the design or color, we can do that. For now I'm leaving it. Also in the similar way on the right side, and here if this is logo, we can upload our logo image from here. For now I'm leaving it. And also this is mega menu. I will show you how you can customize this menu. And also on the right side, here is some other widgets. If I go here, this is compare and count button, and also this is wishlist count button, and here is the WooCommerce shopping cart. So we can customize all this, or we can remove it from here if you want. And also this is the search. Alright, now I'm going to customize our menu area. For now I'm saving it. And now to customize the menu, I'm going to the dashboard, going back, going to exit from dashboard, and now for menu, going to appearance and menu. And now from here I'm selecting the menu. Here is the main menu, and this menu is showing to our header area. So this is shop, women, men, sales and page. If I check the home, so this is the same menu. And now here is showing the mega menu under women and men. Now if I go to the settings, and if we want to change the mega menu or if we want to customize it, so going to edit mega content. So now we can customize or change the mega menu from Elementor builder. So we can customize all this very easily from here. For example, here if I click here, so this is another menu which is coming from our menu area. For example, this is the women's collection custom sub menu. So if I open the menu area to a different tab, for example, I'm going to copy the link and open the menu area. And from here, if I check the menu, this name custom sub menu women's collection. So if I check here, women's collection, so this is the menu which is showing here. If I select, so here is showing 3 items. So this complete menu is showing here, and then we can customize the font size and style from style tab. And in the similar way, if I go here, this is another menu, its name custom submenu 2 women's collection. So if I check here, this is the menu. If I select, so we can edit or customize this menu from here, and it will also change in this mega menu. So inside our mega menu, we can create any custom design, or we can create any dynamic section or dynamic menu or anything. And on the right side, it's showing some products from the mega menu structure. If I go here, and now the query by, I'm making off the tags, and now here is showing some images. We can also change the order. I'm making it to ascending. So now you can see some product images is showing as carousel, and in the similar way we can add any elements or anything inside our mega menu. Now I'm saving it, and when I refresh our website, we can see the product item is showing. And in the similar way we can customize the another one. So this is also another menu item, and these are some images and text with links. So we can easily customize all this. And now again I'm going back to our main menu, and from here we can make it off if we don't want this mega menu with our menu item. And also here is item icon, so we can add any specific icon with our menu. For example, here if I select any icon, for example I'm taking this, and if we add any color for this icon, and we can also add any specific size for this icon. And if I save, and now if I refresh, we can see here is our icon is showing. And in the similar way we can add a specific icon or a specific mega menu with any menu item. And lastly, here is showing some default sub menu, so we can also customize this. For now I'm just removing this icon. I don't need this icon. And finally, for the pages, we can remove all these demo page, and here we can add any blog page or contact page. For example, if I go to the page list and go to the view all, so here you can see all the pages which we have now. For now, I'm going to the custom link, and here I'm typing contact, going to add menu, and also going to add another one, blog, going to add to menu and moving it top, and finally save menu. I will create this 2-page later, and then I will link all this with our menu item. And now if I refresh our website, you can see our menu is updated. And now I'm going to customize our footer area. So for that, going to the builder, scroll down and going to edit footer. It's also redirecting to our page builder template. Now from here we can also customize and change all these items. For example, for the first one, this is coming from icon list. For the first one, if I go here, here is the text. We can change this text, and also here is the link, so we can add any specific link and text for this one, and similarly for all others. And also here is the text, so we can change this text. For now I'm leaving it, all this is almost same. This is coming from normal text editor. We can change all this. And also here is the subscription box. For now here is only the email field. We can change the input field text and the submit button text, and also we can add own style. And this is for subscription option, so we need to link our email marketing tools with this form. For example, for that, if I go to the dashboard and going to Crocoblocks, going to Jet plugins settings, and subscription form is coming from Jet Elements. So if I go to the Jet Elements and if I go to the integrations, here we will find the MailChimp. So if we want to link the MailChimp, we have to add the MailChimp API key here and MailChimp list ID here. Then also here is double opt-in option. We can make it on or off, and then our form will be linked with MailChimp. Alright, now going back to the footer builder, and finally here is some icons for social. We can add our link with this icon, and here we can add more icon list. If I go here, we can add any icon instead of this. We can remove this text and we can add any link. I'm removing it. And finally here is the copyright text. We can add our own text, and on the right side here is showing to link, privacy policy page, and for terms and condition. Alright, for now I'm saving our footer, and again going back to our homepage builder. And for the homepage below, here we can easily customize this section. Here is normal icon and also some text, so we can add any image or icon instead of this. And finally I'm going to check the responsive view for this homepage. So going to responsive mode, here I have added some text. I have increased the text size, so I need to check also the responsive view. Going to tablet, going to the very top, and here we need to increase the font size. For this one, going to style tab. For the first one, I'm changing the font size to 55, going to content, or we can make it to 45. And for the top one, we can decrease the font size. And in the similar way, for the phone view, we need to move the alignment. For this text, from the style tab, I'm making it to the left align. And for the first one, we can also decrease the text size. Going to content, going to style tab, and I'm changing the font size. I'm making it to 15. Alright, and in the similar way, all others is okay. We can decrease this font size for phone. Going to the part 1, and from here I'm making it to 40 or 35. And here we can make the alignment to center for phone, and also going to the tablet. I think we can keep it. And for top area, I'm going back from style tab, first part, I'm making the alignment to left. Going to content, settings, making the alignment to start. Alright, looks good. And going back to the desktop. Alright, now I'm going to save our home page. and going back to view page. So our home page is done. Now I'm going to the shop page. By this time I have also uploaded some more products, so our shop page and all category page will look better. And here, if I want to customize the shop page, for that we need to go here, edit with Jet plugins, and here is the shop. I'm going here, click on the new tab. Now from here we can customize our shop page. On the left side here is some filters. These are coming from our Jet Smart Filter plugin. So if we want to customize all this, if I go to the shop page and hover over on here, we can see all the filter options is here. We can go to any specific filter from here. For example, here is the search filter, checkbox filter, select filter. I'm going there. And for now, from the shop page, here on the right side, if I go, this is also a different kind of filter. This is checkbox filter. And here, if I go here, this is a loop for products. If I want to customize the single item for this grid layout, we can do that from a different place. This is just loop and working as a template. So if I go to the shop and hover over here, we can see here is another structure, shop grid. So if I open this is the single structure for this product. This is image, thumbnail, and product name, product price, and also here is icon. So if we want to customize the single item for shop page, we can customize from here. So from here, if we want to customize any item, or if we want to add any more button or text with our single product, we can do it from here. For example, here if we want to add any extra button, so I'm going here and going to add a button for now. And here if I type anything for now, if I save this, and now if I refresh our shop page, so we can see our new button is showing with our single item. So in the similar way, we can add any new widgets or new text or anything with our product item. Alright, I'm going back from here and saving our page. I'm crossing this one, and now this is our shop page. Now going ahead for the Jet filters. For that, if I go to our dashboard, from here if I go our dashboard, and here if I scroll down, we will find a tab, Smart Filter. I'm going here, and here we will find a list of filters which we are using to our shop page and also in our home page. For example, for the very first one, if I go to our shop page, this is the search filter. I'm going here. You can see here is the search filter, and if I go to our list, and from here if I scroll down, we can see this is the search filter. And now if I go to edit, from here we can change our filter label, active filter label. These are working for admin side, so we need not to change all this. And here is the filter type. So from here we can see different kind of filter we can create, and also here is the placeholder, type your request, so it's showing here. And search by, we can search by default WordPress search or by custom field. And also in the similar way, we can check all others. For example, here is the product categories. If I go here, the filter name is checkbox filter and product categories. If I go to our list, so this is checkbox filter, product categories. If I go to edit, so here is the label, and here is the filter type. This is checkbox list, and data source, taxonomy, and taxonomy type. This is product attribute, and the attribute name is product types. If I go to our products, I'm opening in a new tab, and if I open a product and going to attribute, so here we'll find the types, and all values for this attribute will show to our filter list. Like here, if I go to our shop page, here we can see all the product categories or product type list is showing here. And here, if I want to customize it more, we can do it from our filter options. And here we can see here is some more options like relational operation, union, or here is another, the intersect. So when we select two types for our product, all product will show to our shop page under these two types category. And when I select the intersect, only common item for these two categories will display. And also here is some more options. We can keep empty for terms. So if I have the empty categories or no product under these types, that case these types or category name will not display here. And also we will find more customization options. And in the similar way, here is another filter. This is length. It's also coming from our product attribute, the product length, and this is coming from the size. If I go to our product, this is another attribute for product size. All the size will show in this filter list. And similarly, here is the color, here is the price range, and also here is the brand or image. For brand, if I go to the product, this is coming from this image attribute, and we can set some images for each of the attribute name or the image name. For example, if I go for the brands, and here is image filter, I'm going to again the filter list, going back, and here is the image filter product brands. So if I go to edit, and here the filter type is visual. Under visual, we can select the taxonomy and also the attribute name. This is product image. And here we can select two type of filter under visual. This is image and another one is the color. Here I am selecting the image, and the behavior will work like radio or checkbox. This is radio, and from here we can add some item. Like here we can add image and we can set a specific value or name with this image. For example, if I want to add a new option, and here we can type any name. Here is the ASOS. We can type the level name, and here we can select any image with this name. Alright, for now I'm crossing it and saving it. Now I'm going to create a new filter option with our shop page just to show how it works. So if I go to add new, and I'm typing custom filter, and this will be color. This is already exist in our filter list, but I'm creating here to show you how it's working. So the filter label, we can type color, and active filter label also the same name, and filter type. Here we have to select the type visual, and data source I'm selecting taxonomy, and taxonomy type, this is product color, keeping this as it is, and type I'm selecting color, and behavior we can leave it as checkbox or radio. For now I'm selecting the checkbox. And options list, going to option, the first one is black, and here is the value. It's coming from our attribute value list, and we can select a specific color. For this color I'm selecting the black color, and going to create another one. I'm typing, or first I'm selecting the blue and then typing blue, and here I'm selecting the blue color, and also going to take another one. I'm taking brown and typing brown, then color, and all others is okay. Now going to publish. Now I want to show this filter to our shop page, so going to shop page, and first I'm saving this page, and now going to refresh, so we can see our new filter item. Now from here, if I search for filter, and here we'll find different kind of filter. For now I'm using the visual filter, so I'm taking this. Select filter, if I type color, our new one, custom filter color, and this filter, for we have to select this one, WooCommerce archive, and we can apply the Ajax load, and this will work on value changes. Here is more options. Show apply button, we can make it on. So after filtering, we can select the apply filter button. I'm making it off. And show filter label, I'm making it on. So now our filter label is showing, and here I want to hide the name with the color box. So for that, going to filter option, and here is the show items label, I'm making it off. Now only showing the color box. I want to make it in the same line, so going to style tab and making the filter position, I'm making it to inline. And now you can customize it as you want. For example, here if we want to change the alignment or horizontal offset or vertical offset, we can do it from here. We can change the icon size. For example, here I'm going to color or image, and here I want to make it circle, so border radius, if I make it to 50, so now it's showing as circle. And in the similar way, we can customize the label text as we want. And now if I save it for now, and if I refresh our shop page, and now if I click on any specific color, like when I click on the black color, we can see all product item which is under this black color, all these are showing here. And similarly, we can filter our product by using all these filter options. Alright, now going back to the shop page again and removing this one and saving our shop page. And in the similar way, if I go again our home page, and here this is another filter which is working on our home page. For example, if I again going to Elementor Builder, and now if I scroll down, and here if I click, this is checkbox filter for home page. If I go to our filter list, so this is the filter checkbox filter for home page. And if I go to edit, so we can see this is also coming from taxonomies and product feature list. So this is also another attribute for our product, and we can filter our homepage product with this product feature attribute. So we can customize it if you want. Alright, now going back. Now if I go for others pages, like here under the women, here is the mega menu, and this menu is coming from our product tags. For example, if I go to any of the page like t-shirt, so here is showing all the t-shirt under these tags. Similarly, for all others pages, like under the man, here is showing some page link which is working for product tags. And also same for the sale. Here is also showing all the product under this sale tag. This is basically the archive page layout which is working for product tags. And all this page layout will work by default as same as our shop page layout. And also similarly, if I check any of the product category page, for example, if I go to our dashboard and going to products and categories, and here is our all category list, and if I check any of the product category page, if I go to the view, so here is showing the product category page layout. By default, it's the same layout as our shop page, but here if we want to create a completely different layout for a specific product category or specific product tags, we can also do that. For that, if I go to again our product category, and from here, for example, if I want to create a different layout for accessories, and now if I go to edit, and here if I scroll down, we can see here is the custom template options. So by default, here is only showing the shop page layout, and we can also create a custom template for a specific category. Let's create a custom template. So for that, going again to the Crocoblocks and going to page builder, and from here going to create a new template. Before that, from here I'm opening our shop page layout, going to next page, and this is our shop page. I'm also opening this in a new tab with the Elementor builder, and here I'm also opening a new template. Here I'm selecting the type to shop, and template name I'm typing custom layout, and from here we can select any specific structure, or I'm just going with the create template. So from here we can create a completely different layout from scratch. For example, here I'm creating a new section, one column structure, and taking a title, alignment to center, and changing the title to accessories. And now going to increase the text size. Here is the line height, I'm making it to 1 em, and also changing this color to black. And for this section we can also create a background, and we can add some spacing in top and bottom. And for rest of the section I'm just going to copy our shop page layout. So going to our shop page and simply copy the layout structure and paste it here. Alright, now going to publish, and now if I go to our edit category page and refresh it again, and from here custom template, I'm selecting our custom layout. Now going to update, and if I go to our category page, going to accessories, and now you can see our product category page layout for accessories is updated. So in the similar way we can create fully custom layout for our archive pages like product tags, product categories, and also for product attributes. Alright, next I'm going to create our blog page and also a contact page. So we need to create it from scratch. I'm again going to our dashboard, crossing all others, and now going to pages and going to add new. The page name I'm typing blog and going to publish. Now going to edit with Elementor. Now here I want to take blog post widget. For that first I'm taking a one column structure, and now click on this plus icon, and here I'm searching for post. For now I'm taking this one only, and here we have only one blog post, the hello world. So before customizing this page, first I'm going to upload some blog post. For now I'm saving this page, and now again going back to our dashboard, and now going to post. This is the dummy blog post. I'm going to remove this one, and now going to upload some blog post from start. So going to add new. Now from here I'm typing the blog post title. For example, here I'm typing how to make a WordPress website, and now from here we have to type the post details. So here we can type some text with different kind of style. For example, first I'm taking some dummy text from here and paste it, and from here we can also customize our text. For example, here I want to make this text as bold, and also we can make it italic, and we can add extra link with our text. For example, here with text, if I want to add any link, click on the link button, and from here we can add a specific link, and here the options, we can open the link in a new tab or not. For now I'm saving it, and also we can change the text alignment from here. And here with this text we can add any image or blocks. This text editor is coming with the Gutenberg builder. So here if I click on the plus icon, we can create different kind of widgets. Like here we can take paragraph, product search, and here we will find more widgets to our text editor. For example, here if I want to add any image, and I'm taking this image, and from here we can upload any image, or we can take any image from media. Click on media library, and I'm taking this one, and also we can customize this image. From the right side we can make it circle or default size. Alright, and now from the right side if I go to post and scroll down, here is options for category. We can create a specific post category. For example, here I'm typing category name to WordPress tutorial and add new category, and in the similar way we can create more category. And also here is the tags, so we can add specific tags. These tags working for SEO purposes. I'm typing WordPress and enter. So tags is added. In the similar way we can add more tags. And then here is the featured image option, so we can add specific image. So this featured image will show to our post list or to our grid view. For now I'm going to upload an image. I'm not going to upload more images in this website for blog. So for now I'm just going to upload some product image with our blog post. And then here is option excerpt. So here we can add small description for our blog post. Finally, I'm going to publish our post, and in the similar way I'm going to create some more blog posts for this website. Alright, I have also uploaded some more blog posts, and now if I go to our pages, and now going to blog page, going to edit with Elementor, and here we can see all the post is showing here. If I go, and here you can see the post number is 3 and the column is 3. We can increase the post number. I'm making it to 6, and post type post, it's coming from query by latest post. And here we can also customize our post view. So here is some more customization options. And for this page here I want to hide this page title, so going to settings, and here is the hide title. I'm hiding it. And now going to edit section, going to right click and navigator, going to the first section, and content width boxed, we can make it to full width. So if I hide the panel from the left side, so it's looking like this. Or I'm going back to boxed, and here we can increase the size. If I hide the panel, I'm trying to make the same width, just making the alignment same with the header. And here we need to add some spacing in top and bottom. So going to edit section, from here going to advanced, and margin, we can add some margin in top and bottom. I'm going to add 50 pixel. And here we can also customize all this text and button style. For example, if I again going to post edit and going to style tab, and here is the title, we can change the typography, going to typography and making the font weight to bold. And in the similar way we can customize the button style. And also here I want to add some spacing in bottom each of the post. So going to post item, and from padding making it to unlink, to bottom area I'm going to add 30. So now 30 pixel is added bottom of the post. And here if we want to customize our content more, we will find more options. If I go to content, and from here if I scroll down we will find more options. Like here we can set custom query. For now it's coming from our default blog post. If I enable the custom query, we can type the custom query. So this is an advanced feature. And also we can enable or disable each of the item from here. For example, here is all meta info. If I want to hide the comments from here, we can hide it. And also here is others widgets. We can enable or disable the author name, date, title and excerpt. Even we can control the excerpt length from here. And finally here is the read more button. We can enable or disable from here. And also here is the read more button text. So by default this is read more. We can change our text from here. And we can also add any specific icon with this read more button. For example, if I add any icon, so you can see here is a icon added with our button. For now I'm removing it. Alright, I'm okay with this layout for now, and I'm saving our page. Now going back to dashboard, and again going back to all pages. Next I'm going to create another page for contact. Going to add, new, add title, contact, and publish. going to edit with Elementor, and from here, instead of creating from scratch, I'm going to import a template. So going to here, this is coming from Crocoblocks, and here we can import a complete page or we can import a section. Going to sections, and from the left side we can also filter our sections. Like here, if I scroll down, here is the contact. So here we will find different kind of sections for contact page. If I check this one, we can import this layout. Here is the form, and in the left side here is some contact information. Now on the left side all the text and information is added, but on the right side the form is not imported because we still did not install the plugin for form. I'm doing it after a few moments, and before that I'm hiding the page title. So going to settings, and from here hide title, I'm hiding it. And for all this text and color, we can customize it with our theme color. For now I'm using the light blue color, so we can also change all these purple color. I'm going here and going to style tab, and the primary color we can change this color to this light blue, and on hover we can keep it or we can change it. And also we can also change this icon and icon color. So going here, contact information, instead of this I'm going to add the address icon. So I'm searching for location and selecting this one, and here we can change the icon color. So going to style tab, and the color I'm taking this light blue color, and in the similar way I'm going to copy and paste style, and also going to change icon for this too. Alright, now I'm saving our page, and for the right side first I'm going to install a plugin for contact form. So going to dashboard and going to plugins, add new plugin. For now I'm going to install a simple plugin like WP form, and going to install this one and activate. Going to create our first form. So we can start from blank or we can start from a pre-made structure. So going to simple contact form, use template, and here is the name, first name, last name, then email address and the message box. If I go here, I'm changing it to message only, and we can customize all these fields from here. Just click on the field, and from here we can change all this text, and also we can make it required or not. And also here is some advanced option we can customize as per our need. And then here is the form settings. So from here we can change the submit button text, sending text, and also from here if I go to the notifications, so here is some more advanced option like all the form field will redirect to this admin email address. So when someone submit this form, all the information will redirect to this admin email address. So instead of this email address you can add a different email address if you want. Then here is the email subject, the from name, from email address, and all this field, and finally the confirmation. So after submitting the form, people can see this success message below our form. We can change it from here, or also here is more options. We can redirect our user to a different page after submitting the form. And finally save our form and crossing it. Now again going back to our pages and contact page. Here is contact, going to edit with Elementor. Now on the right side I'm click on the plus icon and searching for form. Here is the WP form, I'm taking this one, and select a form, I'm taking the simple contact form. So now here our form is showing, and here we can see the first two field is showing 50% width and the message box is showing to full width. So now I want to make it full width for all fields. For that, from the WP form, if I go to edit forms, and from here for the first one I'm going to name and going to advanced. Here is the size, field size medium, I'm making it to large. And also for the second one, going to advanced, making it to large. and it's already is large, so going to advanced and making it to large, or we can make it medium. Medium is okay for this field. Going to save it, and now if I refresh, alright, so now form looks good. And here for this whole section we can increase the width. So going here, going to edit column and going to advance. Here is some padding in left and right. We can remove padding from left, and also we can increase the width for this whole section. For now I'm keeping it as it is and saving it. And with this contact page we can add more section, more widgets as per your need. For now I'm going back, and now I'm going to link these two pages with our menu item. So going to appearance and menu again, and here is the main menu for the blog and contact. So if I go to the pages, and here is recent page, I'm selecting the blog and contact, then going to add to menu. I'm moving the blog in top, and we can remove the previous link, and finally save our menu. Now going back to visit site. Alright, so our blog page is done, and also the contact page. Now I'm going for the next step, WooCommerce settings. So going to dashboard again, and going to WooCommerce and settings. And here we can set some basic settings for our WooCommerce store. For example, here is the store address. We can type our shop address here, then city, country, zip code, and here is general options. Like here is the selling location. We can set some specific countries, or by default this will be for all countries. Then shipping location, we can set a specific or different location for shipping, or we can leave it so it will work the same location for the selling location. Then default customer location, we can also set a specific location for our customer. Then enable taxes. By default our tax option is not enabled. We can enable it. For example, if I enable the tax, and when I save changes, we will see a new tab here, tax. So from tax we can set our tax. I'm going there after a few moments, and when I scroll down, here is some more options like enable coupon. We can enable the coupon code or coupon system with our product. Then here is more options, calculate coupon discount sequentially. We can enable or disable it. Then currency, by default this is US dollar. We can set the currency to a different country. Then currency position, it will be the left of the price or right. We can set it from here. Then thousand separator, by default this is comma. We can change it, and decimal separator and number of decimals. Then going for the next tab, here is the product settings. From here we can set some basic settings for our product. Here is the shop page. We can select any specific page as our shop page, and here is add to cart behavior. We can enable the Ajax add to cart button, or after click on the add to cart button it will be redirect to the cart page. And then here is the placeholder image. We can leave it as it is. Then measurements, product weight, unit, then dimension. We can set all this from here. Enable product reviews, and also here we will find some more options. Then go to the next tab, tax, and from here we will find some more options for tax. I have created another tutorial, more details about the tax, how we can set the tax, or how we can create different kind of taxes. For now I'm not going through all these details. I will leave that tutorial link in my description so you can check it from there. And also similarly for the shipping, for shipping I have also another tutorial in details about the shipping. You can check it. I will leave that tutorial link in my description. And then finally the payment. So by default we will find three different payment system. Here is the cash on delivery, here is the check payments, and direct bank transfer. We can enable any one from here. For example, here I'm enabling cash on delivery, and also we can set some details for this payment system. So going to setup, and here we can change the title text, cash on delivery, and description, and instructions. We can change all these. I'm going back. I need to save the changes. And also here we will find some more options for payment they are recommending. Like here is the WooCommerce payment, Stripe payment, or PayPal. I'm going with the PayPal for now. Get started. And from here we can connect our PayPal to our WordPress account. So going to connect to PayPal. So here we have to log into our PayPal account, and then finally it will be connected to our WordPress. For now I don't have the PayPal account, so I'm going back to the payment system. And with the PayPal we will find some more options like PayPal card processing. So if we enable these options, after that we can receive payment from credit card or debit card to our PayPal account. Also you can try with the Stripe payment or WooCommerce payment. This will also support the debit card, credit card, and different kind of payment system to receive payment. Before that you have to check the country list which is support this payment gateway. Alright, now I'm going to the next step, going to account and privacy. So here we will find some basic settings. You can check these one by one. Like here is the guest checkout. So anyone can purchase without creating account, or user have to create account to purchase anything. And also here we will find some options or condition for account creation. You can check it and enable or disable if you want. Then here is account eraser request and also some information. You can check this one by one. And then here is the email settings. So from here we can set specific email for different kind of action. Like here by default the admin email address is working for new order, cancel order, or failed order. We will get notified to our email address when someone order or cancel order or failed order. And also customer will get notified to their email in the case of order on hold, processing order, completed order, and all these type of conditions. And also here we will find some more customization options. Like when we will get the email, we can change the email template format or the color from here. I'll show that after a few moments. And then here is integrations. For now we can skip these options. Then advanced. We have already set up our cart page, checkout page, my account, and refund. And also we can leave all these settings as it is. Then here is the Jet Builder options. Here we are using the custom layout for our shop page, so we can make sure the enable custom shop page is on, and also custom taxonomy template is on. As we are using the website layout from demo import, so all the default settings is okay for now. We can leave it as it is. And from here we can check the page layout, which template is working for our different pages or WooCommerce pages, and then we can customize it. For example, here we can see the cart template page is working with the cart layout. So if I want to customize the cart page, that case we have to go to the Crocoblocks, then go to Page Builder, and here if I search for cart, so this template is working for our cart page. And if I want to customize the layout, so we can easily do it from here. For example, here I want to customize this button text. Going here, going to style tab, and the text color we can change it to white. And here I want to add some padding, so here is the padding. We can set the padding to 10 pixel, and here is border bottom, we can remove it, and want to increase the padding for left and right, so making it to unlink and for left and right. Alright, and in the similar way we can customize all this structure. So from here I have updated the table structure, and here we can also customize the structure or layout as you want. For now I'm saving our page and crossing it. In the similar way we can customize all the template. First we can check it from here which template is working, and then from Crocoblocks and Page Builder we can find the template or layout, then we can customize it. or if we want to create a new template from scratch, then create it from here, and then we can link our page from the settings page. Now going to again our home page. Now I'm going to the shop page, and now I'm going to process a order. Now from here, if I go to any product, and from here I'm selecting the options, color and size, then going to add to cart, going to view cart, and finally going to proceed to checkout. And also you already see we can change the cart page design, so from there we can change the button color on hover and all this. Now going to proceed to checkout, and this is our checkout page. We can also customize the structure for the checkout from our template list. For now I'm just filling this form with my information, and after completing this information, here is only one options for payment, so this is cash on delivery. It's already enabled, and click on the terms and condition and then place order. Alright, so our purchase is done, and here is our order details. Here is the product name, product price, subtotal, payment method, total price, and also the billing information, order receipt. If you want to customize the layout or structure for the thank you page, we can also do from our template list. For example, if I scroll down, and here is the thank you page, it's coming from the thank you template. And in the similar way, if I go to Crocoblocks and if I go to page builder, we will find the thank you template, so we can customize it from here. For now I'm leaving it. And now after completing any order as an admin, when I go to our dashboard and when I go to WooCommerce and order, we can see here is one notification. So here is our recent order 2 minutes ago, and this is processing. Now if I go to the details, you can see all the details information for this order, and this is now in processing. We can complete this order from here. If I go to the completed and finally click on the update, so our order is now completed, and also our customer will be notified by their email. So now let's check our email. I'm going to my email. So this is my customer email and this is my admin email. So if I check the order, here I have get a new email for my new order. And also if I check the customer email, the first email is your order has been received, and the second email is your order is now complete. If I check, and here from the settings, if I go to our dashboard and WooCommerce settings, and if I go to the emails, scroll down here, we can see the base color is the purple and the body text color is black. So from the email it's showing the purple color. If we want to change this color to our own brand color, we can change it from here. And also we can change the text for footer. So this is coming from our footer text, and from here we can also set a image or logo for our header image, and also we can set the from name, from email address, and all these. Alright, now I'm again going back to our home page. Alright, we are done and our site is ready to go. Finally, I'm saying this is a dummy website and I used dummy content. So you can customize the website completely using your own content and own images. By the way, if you find this tutorial helpful, give this video a big thumbs up. Otherwise, you may not find this kind of valuable tutorial next time. And if you are new here, like to see my more upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Finally, if you like to work with me for any WordPress project, you can contact me through my website. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.